So what if I told you that there is a secret way that can enable you to put ads on your YouTube channel even before meeting the YouTube monetization partnership conditions? It is really possible, so put a like and subscribe to know more. Actually, I have two news, one good, the other is bad. I will start with the good news. The good news is that it is not a secret, it is a new policy by YouTube that enable ads on small channels even before meeting the conditions for the monetization program. The bad news is that your profit from these ads is going to be zero. Yeah, you heard it right. It's going to be nothing. $0, nada. If you speak Arabic, لا شيء. So just keep watching to understand more about this and to know how to deal with it. Hello everyone, my name is Joe. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Joe Becoming a Millionaire, in which I share my journey with you to become financially free. In this channel, I share my struggles, my successes, my failures, and everything I am trying to do to achieve financial freedom. My goal here is to inspire you by doing. I'm going to take you with me on my journey so you can get inspired and motivated to start your own journey as well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, we will be talking about the new policy that YouTube just put, I think, 3 or 4 days ago, in which it will be putting ads on almost all kind of channels. Before explaining what is it exactly about, I will explain what is the situation right now, or what is the old situation. So as you know, after the ad apocalypse, YouTube started something called the YouTube monetization program or partnership. I don't know how you call it exactly, in which you cannot monetize your videos before meeting certain conditions. There are two major conditions, which are to reach 1,000 subscribers. The other condition is to get 4 public views, 4,000 hours of public views on your of watch time. The other condition is to get 4,000 public watch time. The other condition is to get 4,000 watch. The other condition is to get 4,000 hours of watch time, public watch time on your YouTube channel in the last 12 months. So before meeting those conditions, you couldn't activate ads, you couldn't be in the monetization partnership. So what they did right now is that basically they will be putting ads on channels that didn't even meet the conditions yet. So if your channel is small like mine, 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, 400, whatever, they will be putting ads on your videos. And the big problem with this is that you will get zero profit from that. All the profit, 100% of the profit is going to go to YouTube. This can really hurt your channel, but I also believe that it will help your channel grow. Just hear me out. I will explain everything about this in a second. This time I will start with the bad news to leave the good one and to finish the video with a positive note. The bad news is that you cannot customize those ads. It's not like when you are in the monetization partnership by YouTube, you can choose where to put ads, you can choose what type of ads to put on your videos, you can choose whether to put ads or to not put ads and all that stuff. But now that YouTube is putting ads on your videos, they will choose by themselves which kind of ads to put, where to put them and all that stuff. So you will not be able to customize the experience for your viewers. The bad thing is that we already know that when you have less subscribers, or when you have a small amount of subscribers, you are already in a disadvantage, because people, it's a psychology, people, when they see that you have less subscribers, they don't give you much attention, they don't want to like your videos, they don't want to subscribe, they don't want to leave comments and all that stuff. Add to that they will have ads that can ruin the experience for them. It's going to be a big disadvantage for small channels. So now let's move to the good parts. This is mere speculation. I'm not sure 100% about this, but I think it is logical, and if you think that it is logical the same way as me, leave me a comment. So we all know that YouTube is a business. They want to make a lot of money, and I think because they are going to make 100% of the profits from the ads that they are putting on your videos as a small channel, I believe they will start promoting your videos a little bit more, because that will mean that they will have a lot of views, thus they will have a lot of money coming to them. So it's a win-win. You get views and them, they will get a lot of money. So what do you think about this speculation? Do you think it's rational? So that is it for me. It was a small update about this new policy. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you are excited for it, if you are demotivated. Just write down your opinion in the comment section. If you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go subscribe now, please. Subscribe. So that's it. It was nice talking to you. Peace. Subscribe. Whatever.